Hi everybody, I hope you're doing great. And this is my first day as I joined the pronunciation course with a Russian speaking tutor because, it's quite interesting to compare the difference between studying the pronunciation with a native English tutor and non-native English tutor, at least to me. And I've got the task, such an interesting idea, I would say. Because the main idea of it was like I had to pronounce 26 letters according to the English alphabet, which is so amazing. But, the words were so easy to pronounce itself. However, I had to pronounce each letter of the words itself, how it was written in the dictionary, and that's why it was so difficult to me, because my brain wasn't ready to do it. For some reason, I don't know why, and I think it happened because when you pronounce the words how it should be pronounced, you don't think about the letters because you focus on the pronunciation most of the time. I would say on 100%. But when you have to think about it, about the spelling, it looks like, wow, how to do it? How? And, to me, it was so difficult because I wasn't ready to do it. And let's start to it again in order to see it how it looks like in real life, and maybe my brain will work much better. Who knows? Let's do it. Apple. A P P L E. Bird. BIRD. Computer. COMPUTER. Drink. DRINK. English. ENGLISH. Friend. FRIEND. Great. GREAT. Have. HAVE. Internet. INTERNET. Jump. JUMP. Kitchen. KITCHEN. Lesson. LESSON. Monkey. MONKEY. New. NEW. Open. OPEN. Piano. PIANO. O. Question. Question. Right. RIGHT. Start. START. Table. TABLE. Understand. UNDERSTAND. Vegetable. VEGETABLE. Where? WHERE. X-ray. XRAY. Yesterday. YESTERDAY. Zoo. ZOO. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you later. Bye bye for now.